Hey everyone, this is Renee Williams with Science Loves Art and 4th Street Studios. This project is all about origami, folding paper to create artwork. Origami is also very functional and is used to create maquettes in engineering and other projects. So this is a huge world that I hope will be something that you're all interested in exploring more. But for now, sit tight and let's have fun creating marbling and origami. Our kits include origami paper, but you can also use your marbling paper. So we're going to do one of each. Typically, origami paper is square, so you can make your own square shape by folding any size paper over corner to corner, and whatever is hanging off, you just cut off of there. So let's make a cup. All right, get out your paper. We're going to fold it corner to corner. We're going to take the top side and fold it down so that this edge is touching this fold. If this is too fast, you can pause. All right, now we're going to unfold it. Now, see this fold mark right there? We're going to take this corner and pull it all the way up to touch that intersection right there where the fold was. Fold it there. Now take this corner and we're going to touch it up here. Starting to look like a cup. Okay, take your top layer, fold it down, turn it over, turn it down again. So look, you have a cup. Now what we did earlier in our marbling, we were marbling everything, and we ended up marbling one of our cups that we had done in this pink. And look how fun it turned out. It's still drying. Look how really cool that is. So you can make your origami and then marble it. Here's another cup that we marbled. It's in one of our videos, so if you missed that, go back and look at a Suminagashi Marbling. Okay, we are going to make a cicada. These are so cute. Okay, corner to corner. Okay, now I'm going to fold this corner up here. This corner up here. And then now we're going to fold these down, and we want these to be a little offset, not like this, a little off. So there's a little bit of an angle. So we want it to be to this point though. There. So the point is a fold there. So start at your fold and then figure out how you want to do that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we take the top of these two that are sticking up, and we're just going to fold this one down just a little bit, maybe halfway to here. All right, then we're going to fold the next one down a little bit off, so there's a little bit of a layer right there. Now we are going to, about right there, fold this back. I think this is the trickiest part, but you're going to try to fold these back so they kind of match like that. So that's what the top looks like, and that's what the back looks like. All right, and then you fold this in half. Now I'm going to marble this guy next time I marble. Doesn't that look cute? Should we make one out of our marbled paper real fast? Okay, let's fold it in half. Fold my corners up. Fold these down. These are going to be part of our wings. Make sure that corner's tight. Kind of make a match. Here. Pick our top paper down. The next one down a little bit, which is kind of cool how you've got these designs here. Now we're going to fold this back. I'm just going to fold it back to the middle right here. Try it a different way. Fold this one back to the middle right there. See how that looks? That looks pretty good. Now, fold this in half. There we go. That is a pretty cool cicada. Okay, we're gonna make one more today. This is a butterfly. You know how to make a square. You fold it over, and anything that's left outside of this triangle, you're gonna cut off. All right, so we're gonna go corner to corner like we do many times in origami. And what we're trying to do is just create creases that will be our guidelines later when we fold. So give it a nice crease. All right, open this one up, and now we're going to do the other corner to corner. Give it a nice crease. Okay, now then we're going to go straight up, square like this. Fold it over again. Now it doesn't look anything like a butterfly yet. But now that we have our creases, we can start doing the magic, okay? All right, so you've got your X lines right here. See, they go corner to corner this way. Those are gonna be your main lines. So you want this line actually to fold down. That would make it easier. So what we're going to do is take your four corners and pull these little creases up, these lines right here up. That's going to be our main design right there. Kind of just have to work with the paper, take some patience. So take your time, pause the video, or just keep working at it. So now you've got something like this. All right, so now we are going to, all right, fold your little butterfly down. That's going to be the wings. So start up here, similar to how we did our cicada. Okay, then unfold the top part. Mine's off a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, turn it over, and you're going to fold this part down, and you want a little bit of the edge to go over this line. Okay, fold this little bit over like that, starting to get there. Okay, now fold it this way. Just kind of give it some, isn't that awesome? Now, wouldn't that be pretty marbled?